Summarizing articles and research papers with AI has never been easier. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it effectively in under 3 minutes, using a simple, powerful tool that does the hard work for you. Stick around till the end for a free trial of the software we'll be using, exclusively available to viewers of this channel. So you've got an article or research paper to summarize, and you need to get to the key points fast. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps using AI, saving yourself time and effort. First, let's talk about finding the right AI software. I've tried many of the popular tools out there, and the one we'll be using today is hands down the most accurate and easy to use. It works by processing the entire document and breaking it down into concise, digestible summaries that still retain the main ideas. Once you have the software, the first step is to upload your article or research paper. It's as simple as dragging and dropping the file into the AI's interface. No complicated steps, just upload and go. Next, you'll want to adjust the settings. Most AI tools like this one allow you to select the level of detail you want in your summary. If you need a quick overview, you can choose a brief summary. If you're tackling a complex research paper, you can ask for more in-depth analysis, making sure nothing critical is left out. Now, let the software do the heavy lifting. In just a few seconds, the AI will scan your document and extract the most relevant information. It's able to understand context, pick out key arguments, and even identify important data. It's way faster than reading through the entire paper yourself, and way more reliable than trying to summarize it by hand. Once the summary is ready, review it for accuracy. Most AI summaries are spot on, but it's always good to double check to make sure everything important is captured. If you're not satisfied with the first summary, just tweak the settings and try again. The best part about using AI to summarize articles and research papers is that it can save you hours of work, especially when dealing with lengthy documents. You can focus on understanding the core ideas instead of getting bogged down by the details. To help you get started, I've partnered with the creators of the software we use today to offer you an exclusive free trial. You can check it out and follow along with this tutorial. Just click the link in the description below. The key takeaway from this video: AI can simplify the process of summarizing articles and research papers, saving you time and providing more accurate results. You don't have to do it all manually anymore. Let's quickly recap the main steps. 1. Upload your document to the AI tool. 2. Adjust the settings based on how detailed you want the summary. 3. Let the software process and generate the summary. 4. Review the summary for accuracy and adjust if needed. Remember, this software can really help streamline your workflow. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description to start using it right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.